Hello, everybody. Today we have Mr. Arvind over here with us. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thanks.
Which company you represent here at ASIRT?
I represent MaxNet Computers.
Okay, and what you are into exactly?
I'm a system integrator plus mobile accessory distributors.
Okay, so
More than that, I'm one founder member of ASIRT.
oh wow, that's great. So you have been there since day one. I think
Yes.
one of the most important pillar of ASIRT when you started. So what was the vision for ASIRT? Why did you start this platform?
So earlier, what happened, what used to happen was there was no one who could represent a system integrator as such to our principal companies. So that was the reason, and we were lagging at a lot of things, and then there was a lot of competition. So IT people were not a friend, but then they were competitors. So we decided one day कि like ये हमको बदलना है, कुछ तो करना है. So like we people would notice us. I mean people were like principal companies. So we decided we did a lot of hard work and we started this. Initially, for 6 months to 8 months, we had to really struggle hard to actually, but then after that, we started going and it was a flatun journey.
I think it's a mindset change, no?
Yeah,
When you tell two competitors to sit together and identify ways to collaborate, it becomes difficult at the first stage. But I think the way Assert has groomed up itself and for its members, I think it's been amazing.
precisely. Actually, yeah, initially when people used to like bit skeptical about, अरे कैसे चलेगा? I mean, how we could work together, kind of. We are in the same business. So we said like we set a lot of benchmarks and a lot of other things. So like people started then okay, yeah, I mean this is the good thing. We could as a consultant we can go to a company and say we are such a big company kind of thing,
So
and
rather
people
than
started.
providing one product or services, you offer an umbrella.
So under an umbrella we had everything what IT can offer. So that was the reason actually, and it really kicked off well.
And how it has helped you in growing your business.
A lot. I mean, in terms of percentage, I would say people have grown 200, 300% because of this. Yeah, so it was really, I mean, a tremendous idea, and it really kicked off well, and people are really doing great, and they're happy.
Yeah,
They are
yeah.
really happy.
I think people at Assert are doing more than 5,000 crores business throughout the year, and
Yes.
that's what we have built together. So
Yes.
great! Congratulations to one of the founder members. It was pleasure talking to you. Thanks for
Same
being
here.
here.
Thank